Mandy in Lambeth. Mandy, good evening.
Hi, good evening. So 3 years ago, my mum called a plumbing company, and just before the plumber arrived, she confirmed over the phone that she could pay with cash. So the plumber did his work, my mum paid in cash, but a few days later, the plumbing company called her to say that she had an outstanding balance on her account, and it was the same amount that she had just paid the plumber. So my mum told them that she paid the plumber via cash, and a year later, they emailed her to request the payment, and the company essentially said that there's no record that she paid the bill, and the employee, the plumber, has since left the company. So at the moment, they've now taken her to the small claims court for the amount of £394, which includes the amount that she paid plus interest and court costs.
Okay.
And so the next step is mediation.
Right. When's the hearing due?
So the mediation is next week, Thursday.
Right. So if your mum needs to go to the mediation, it's a problem if she doesn't. Obviously, the problem is this. Did she get a receipt at the time? I know she would have lost it since.
No, she didn't know.
Okay. Did she have a copy of the email from 3 years ago where she said, I paid cash?
Yeah, she does.
Good.
Yeah.
And I'm assuming that the plumbing company didn't reply and say, oh, no, you didn't.
Yeah, they didn't reply to that, no.
Great. That's fabulous, because that means that a judge is very likely to accept her word that she paid, because what the judge will do is look at the documents that exist. The judge will have to decide who to believe. Number one, your mum who turns up and says, I didn't pay. Or number two, a plumber who doesn't turn up because they've left the company, so can't deny being paid in cash, coupled with the fact your mum said immediately afterwards, within a few days, I paid cash in an email, and the plumbing company never challenged that and said, oh, no, you didn't. On those facts, it is overwhelmingly likely your mum will win the claim if it goes to a hearing. Of course, it's a mediation hearing first, where the aim is the judge puts pressure or encourages the parties to settle. And maybe, just maybe, your mum will want to offer something, 20 quid, 50 quid, to make the claim go away, so she doesn't have to go to a full court hearing. But if it goes to a full court hearing, she will win.